Hello all, hope you all doing good. Please watch the previous part of Versatile Actors Part 1. This is the continuation of that part where I have missed some important people. Please have a look. 15th one is Randeep Hooda. He is one of the finest actor in Bollywood. He lost 18 kgs in just 28 days for his role in Sarabjit. That shows his passion towards cinema. 14th one is Pankaj Tripathi. He is one of the versatile actor in Indian cinema who can do any kind of role with ease. Thirteenth one is Rajkumar Rao. He is one of the best and versatile actor in Indian cinema who can pull off any role so easily. 12th one is KK Menon, one of the versatile actor in Indian cinema, acted in most of the industries. He did many different roles throughout his film career. 11th one is Rishi Kapoor. He is one of the most versatile actor in Hindi cinema who can act even with his eyes. He got one national award in 1970. 10th one is Soumitra Chatterjee. He is one of the finest actor in Indian cinema. He received 3 national awards to his performance. Ninth one is Paresh Rawal. He is a gem in Indian cinema who can justify any kind of role. He received Padma Shri in 2014. He also got National Award for Best Supporting Actor. 8th one is Naseeruddin Shah. He is one of the gifted actor in Indian cinema and known for his versatility. He got 3 national awards. 7th one is Shivaji Ganeshan, a versatile actor and a pride of Tamil cinema. He is one of the actor who has biggest mass following. Sixth one is Sanjeev Kumar. He is one of the most versatile actor in Bollywood. He got 2 national awards as Best Actor. Fifth one is Rajesh Khanna. He is known as first superstar of Indian cinema and one of the greatest actor in Hindi industry. Fourth one is Raj Kapoor. He was widely regarded as one of the greatest actor in Indian cinema. His performance in Avara ranked as one of the top 10 greatest performances of all time. His work got attention all over the world. Third one is Uttam Kumar, a brilliant actor and known as Mahanayak. He received 5 national awards. Second one is S.V. Ranga Rao. He was regarded as one of the finest method actors in the history of cinema. A brilliant performer. First one is Rajkumar. He is one of the finest actor in the history of Indian cinema and considered as a cultural icon in Kannada industry. He is an epitome of acting and a gifted actor to India. So that's all. Please subscribe to this channel and click on notification icon for more videos. Take care.